Welcome and thank you for visiting my channel. I'm going to show you and give you some ideas on how I created my Bonfire BBQ Pit. What you're seeing now is what I have after my portable bonfire pit fell apart. Portable bonfire pit usually lasts about good couple years, and then I decided that I want something temporary. This was my first plan, and I was just gonna lay bricks on top of the concrete foundation. Then I thought, if I'm gonna stare at it, might as well make it look beautiful. Demolition begins. This took me a whole day to take this section apart. If it wasn't for a jackhammer, this would have taken much longer. This was my guide from my old portable bonfire pit. I had picked up these trapezoidal blocks from Home Depot. I think they only carried 2 sizes. I had designed to place a larger trapezoidal blocks on the top 3rd layer of my bonfire pit. Setting up an air vent at the bottom of my bonfire pit. I'm using a metal sheet that I had laying around the house as a base for my bonfire pit. Make sure that you are using an air hose vent that can withstand heat. Setting up my first layer after heavy pounding on the base of the pit. Placing an extra support on my air vent. I was planning of placing a cement on top of the air vent, but decided not to, in case if I have to make some adjustments. I also applied these metal hooks to hold the 21-inch circular grill. I use mortar cement and Loctite PL500 adhesive to bond them together. I waited 3 days for the cement and the adhesive to settle. Hello, welcome. It's a grand opening of my barbecue bonfire grill pit. It happens to be my sister's birthday, so we're gonna have her do the honor
of starting this thing up. So here it goes. Okay,